Does methylene blue turn your brain blue? This is the blue brain side effect that some people have asked me about. And if you're here for the very first time, check out my other videos on methylene blue if you want to see the actual research. I'm unbiased. I'm not selling methylene blue, and I don't work for any supplement company or pharmaceutical company, and I don't work for a government agency either. I read the research so you don't have to. So at low doses, methylene blue does indeed cross the blood-brain barrier. This is the reduced form of methylene blue that's actually blue colored. This is the stuff that you're most likely familiar with. This reduced form of methylene blue is actually fat soluble, and this is why it's able to penetrate the blood-brain barrier and get into the brain. However, at higher doses, methylene blue becomes oxidized and is turned into another form called leukomethylene blue. Leukomethylene blue is actually water soluble, almost colorless, and does not cross the blood-brain barrier. And that actually might be a good thing. It might be part of our innate protection or detoxification system. People like to talk about how methylene blue is an antioxidant and can reduce oxidative stress, free radical damage, and help the mitochondria work better. And this includes the mitochondria in brain cells too. However, at higher doses, methylene blue can actually become pro-oxidant and may overwhelm the mitochondria and the electron transport chain of the mitochondria, which forms cellular energy, better known again as ATP. And this in turn would lead to an increase in oxidative stress. By the way, vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, also converts methylene blue into leukomethylene blue. So if you were going to experiment with this stuff, you might want to separate these two from each other and not take them at the same time. So let's come full circle. Does methylene blue get into the brain? Yes. Does it turn the brains of those people blue? I would say probably not, and that's because of our natural detoxification systems, which I mentioned just a second ago, and also because I can't find any clinical proof of it either. Either way, I suggest you exercise caution with this stuff, and remember that testimonials from people that you don't know are not the highest level of scientific proof.